Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for Revolut Business API. Revolut is a popular financial platform that provides a range of tools and services for businesses, including a robust API for integrating payment and banking functionality into custom applications. To get started with the Revolut Business API, you will need to create a Revolut business account and obtain an API key. This key is used to authenticate your API requests and ensure that only authorized applications can access your account data. One of the key concepts to understand when working with the Revolut Business API is the concept of webhooks. Webhooks allow you to receive real-time notifications when certain events occur on your account, such as when a payment is made or when a new transaction is processed. This enables you to build more responsive and dynamic applications that can react to changing account data. When integrating the Revolut Business API into your application, it is essential to follow best practices for security and authentication. This includes using secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt your API requests, and implementing robust error handling to handle any issues that may arise during API calls. In terms of practical examples, the Revolut Business API can be used to build a wide range of applications, such as automated accounting systems, payment gateways, and expense tracking tools. For instance, you can use the API to retrieve a list of transactions for a specific account, or to send payments to suppliers and vendors. To ensure a smooth and successful integration, it is recommended to thoroughly review the Revolut Business API documentation, which provides detailed information on available endpoints, request and response formats, and error codes. Additionally, you can leverage the Revolut developer community and support resources to get help with any questions or issues you may encounter. By following these tips and best practices, you can unlock the full potential of the Revolut Business API and build powerful and integrated financial applications that streamline your business operations and improve your bottom line.